Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable sleep timer on your Hyundai TV. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to settings. Now here, go to system and then select more right at the bottom. Here, as you guys can see, we will have the sleep timer. Now we can easily change it from off to up to 2 hours. So I think that's a great option if you're gonna fall asleep, let's say in 20 minutes and you wanna watch TV. So basically it will run for 30 minutes before disabling itself. So I think that's pretty cool, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.